Over the years, I've used a lot of different drill bits by all kinds of brands, but I have to say that the Champion Brute XL5 drill set by Penn Tool Company has become my absolute favorite, and it all starts with the fact that they are made right here in the USA. This 29-piece set starts with a 1/16 of an inch and goes all the way up to a 1/2 inch bit. Each bit features a self-centering 135-degree split point for precision drilling, and this is important because it means the drill bit isn't going to walk around on you when working with harder materials. Speaking of those harder materials, these bits are specifically engineered out of high-speed steel to be flexible, meaning they are great for using on aluminum, steel, stainless steel, and other tough alloys, but can also be used on the softer materials like wood. While other drill bits are too brittle and can break or start to show a lot of wear after just a couple of uses, these Champion Brute drill bits are tough and made to last. Check out the Champion Brute DL5 drill set at Penn Tool Company's website today.